subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Samsung Galaxy A03s is now official in India as a budget-friendly offering from the company, and it is the successor to the earlier launched Galaxy A02s smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A03s supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a V-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A03s comes powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging, and additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.9 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A03s has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 11,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 12,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in blue, black and white color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A03s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.